May mga magulang na nag-iisip na bakit ko pag-aaralin yung mga mga wataakan si isa madrasa? Pag dun sa madrasa na pag may namatay, natatawagin. Pero gusto nila mag-English na lang, wala nang madrasa. Parents, that is not. You know, I was in the DepEd now not because of my English knowledge. I was in DepEd now because of Alif, because of the Huruf al-Hija, because of the Islamic knowledge that I have when I used to be in Zaid bin Thabit. Imagine that, friends. Pinag-aral ako ng DepEd. Pagkatapos akong pag-aralin ng DepEd, pinagtrabaho sa DepEd, kasi ang gusto lang nila sa akin ay yung kaalaman ko sa Islam at ang kaalaman ko sa Arabic language and Islamic values education. Kaya hindi totoo na pag pinag-aral mo ang bata sa madrasa walang kwenta. Hindi po totoo yan, mga magulang. Hindi totoo yan. You know, as of the moment, sabihin ko po sa inyo, because my task is to inspire everyone, right? Mga magulang, I was able to travel around Philippines for free by DepEd, and it is because of the Quran. And it's because of the Alif that I have learned in the Zaid bin Thabit. Not because of the English that I have obtained. No. I was able to perform Hajj with my parents. Alam niyo po ba nung pumunta ako sa Safara, Saudiya, sabi pa ng Arab, Al-an, qad intaha Ramadan, famada turid an tatluba minni? Fakultu lahu, sabi niya, tapos na ang Ramadan, gusto kitang bigyan, sabi niya, ng hadiah. Anong gusto mo? I never ask money. Sabi ng Arab, bibigyan kita kung anong gusto mong hadiah. But hindi po ako humingi ng pera. Hindi ako humingi ng posisyon. Ang hiningi ko lang, magampanan ang panglimang haligi ng Islam, which is Hajj, kasama ang dalawa kong magulang. You know, my mother is a Balik Islam and my father is Ikalagan. And I used to be here in Marawi for 10 years. Katawan nyo din, sukaw-yag-uyag o kapamaling-baling. It's really hurt. It's really hurt. However, sabi ng Arab, Tayyib, ala turid shay? Fawallahi akhi la uridu shay'an illa an usafir ila Saudiya ma'a waliday. And you know what, mga kapatid, I went to Saudi Arabia as a visitor of king with my mother and father without spending money. Why? Because of the knowledge that I have learned from the Zaid bin Thabit. From Zaid bin Thabit, and of course from Ma'had Kamilul Islam, because I used to be in, you know, mga magulang, yung feeling na kasama mo ang mga magulang mo sa haram, it's really something different. Especially to my mommy, na strengthen yung kanyang faith sa Allah. That's why parents, you are very lucky. Wallahi al-azim, you are very lucky to have this. Subhanallah. You know, I wasn't able to, hindi ako actually nakapagtapos sa Zaid because nagkasakit ako, then umuwi ako ng Davao. Hindi ko natapos ang 2 taon. But then, now you have here your children, and they memorize the Quran, and subhanallah, sila ang pamilya ng Allah. And everyone, bawat isa gustong pumasok ng paraiso, and you have now the ticket. You have now the ticket, parents. So please, wag lang yung English ang iniisip natin. Isipin natin yung buhay sa mundo, naguswaya man yan nakapagintaw sa alungan na mauri. Si sa madrasa, na san katuon so birrul walidain, san katuon so lango-lango na pantag ko agamaak, mi pagintaw o manusia ko dunia, ako pa kay ay kasuldian si ko surga o Allah. That's why parents, you are very lucky. I heard that our ulama a while ago, he said, the mother that's actually have the hafid, he will he or she will be having the crown in the day of resurrection.